What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zell back again on another video, man. As y'all can see, man, we're doing another POV. As y'all can see, man, we is in a different angle. We is in a different point of view. And as y'all probably noticed, I sound really different because I have on, let me show y'all boys. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we have on the Rode mic, and as y'all can see, the camera is auto-focusing like crazy because I have my Sony ZV-10 right now. So I just bought a tripod and I just bought the Rode mic. So now our POVs will be shot this way, but y'all gonna have to let me know, man, if y'all like this angle or not. But I will be getting a wide angle lens so y'all can see everything that's happening down here as far as me shifting and everything. Let's go ahead and get into this POV, man. And another disclaimer, I did try to do a sample video before this. Camera is quite like kind of shaky at some points, but I'm gonna see if I can stabilize it so it doesn't look like that. But let's go ahead and get into this POV. I don't know where I'm about to go. I might just go somewhere. And now y'all can hear me way better without the car being over me. And you already know I got some words of motivation for y'all, man. I mean, hey, I can't even talk. I can't even give y'all no words of motivation if I can't talk. But I got some wise words of motivation for y'all today, man. So basically, while I was trying out this camera, I was making mistakes, such as the camera not being in the right angle and different things of that nature. That's besides the point, but different things of that nature. But I made mistakes, and now I'm consistently growing from those mistakes by analyzing. Man, hey, this skip this part. But anyways, I don't know where I'm going. We just riding around. I'm gonna get a couple pulls in for y'all boys, man. Y'all let me know how everything sounds. Popping like crazy. If y'all see me looking at y'all, man, don't smack me. I'm just trying to make sure the camera angle right. I can't look on my phone, but it keep disconnecting and tweaking out, so if y'all got a Sony, y'all know the Sony app be tweaking sometime. It's the Image Edge app. I'm not sure if all Sonys have the same app or not, but we definitely gonna get that wide angle lens. Right, look, yeah, that's a Hemi. I thought that was a GT because y'all know the GTs look like RTs, which I don't see why you would want to get a GT because the GT is the same price as the RT, and if you the kind of person that wants a V8 engine, I'm not saying anything's wrong with the V6, but me personally, I would rather have the RT instead of the GT because they like pretty much the same price. Where are we about to go? We about to go this way. They're pretty much the same price. I don't want to pay extra money for the aggressive body style without the V8 engine. And he's speeding. He must be not from down here. I see a GT up there. Or some type of Mustang. Is that a Shelby? We gotta catch up to it. I think that's a Shelby, man. I'm trying to catch up to it. I don't know if y'all can see it in the distance. I know he gonna smoke me, but I ain't even. Hopefully we don't get catch by the light. Let me roll this window up just in case y'all can't hear me. I'll have the passenger window down. Y'all might be like, why you came to the same area? Well, some of the cars be over here, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, oh, it's loud too, I hear it. I think y'all can see, yeah, it is a Shelby. Let me see if I'm getting, oh yeah, I'm getting everything. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna turn the same way, I'm gonna go where he going. We have caught up with the Shelby. He look like he got 5-inch tips. Let me see if we recording. Well, I know we're recording, but I'm trying to see what the angle look like. I ain't want no smoke with him. I ain't even about to embarrass myself, but he turned off anyway. I ain't about to follow him in there. This food smelling good, but I got food at home. I just bought some wings yesterday. Definitely can't wait to bust them down. It's an SS going, why am I, it's like when I was trying to get to the car, they going the opposite way, bro. And bro driving mad aggressive too. It was an SS. I'm not sure how fast is the SS against a 5.0 or not. But I do have a Gen 1, so I'm not sure if that's really comparable with mine, but cause it looked like he had a newer generation, so I'm pretty sure the Gen 3 Coyote would keep up with him. Or a Gen 1 with Maj, you can't sleep on a Gen 1. what we got here. What kind of charger this is? So we still recording. All right, we good. Hey, I'm seeing raindrops on my windshield. It is supposed to rain today, but I didn't think it would be raining this early though. But I do have some clips from the test video that I was recording, so I'm gonna probably most likely add some of those clips in here and combine the whole video together. But that is the end of the video, man. I hope y'all boys like the video. I can't even talk. But I hope y'all boys like the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. Y'all boys already know. And I'll see y'all on the next video.
And I promise I am.